You are watching videos in the Tips Life. Please subscribe channel to watch more video. Thank you very much.
100 Greatest Cooking Tips of All Time, Part 1. Food Network magazine asked top chefs across the country for their best advice. 1. Remember, y'all, it's all about the prep. Take away the stress by doing the prep the night or day before. You'll look like a star. Paula Deen. Paula's best dishes. Point 2. The smaller the item, the higher the baking temperature. For example, I bake mini chocolate chip toffee cookies at 500 degrees Fahrenheit for only 4 minutes. Perfect end result. Jimleahy.co and Sullivan Street Bakery, New York City. Point 3. Store spices in a cool, dark place, not above your stove. Humidity, light and heat will cause herbs and spices to lose their flavor. Rick Tremonto. Mario Batali. Iron Chef America. Point 8. After making eggs sunny side up, deglaze the pan with sherry vinegar, then drizzle the sauce on the eggs to add another dimension to the dish. Didier Lena. New York City. Point 9. After working with garlic, rub your hands vigorously on your stainless steel sink for 30 seconds before washing them. It will remove the odor. Gerardcraft. Niche and Taste, St. Louis. Scan for 1. Levi Brown. 10. Brine, baby, brine. You gotta brine that poultry to really give it the super flavor.